Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the DAX, data analysis expressions in the Power BI. In the previous video, we have discussed about the cardinality and the relationships in the Power BI. Now we are going with DAX, data analysis expression. Yeah. Why we are using this data analysis expression? This data analysis expression is a formula language used in the Power BI to create calculations, measures, and custom columns. And it is a powerful tool for data analysis and the modeling. Yeah, we have many key features of this using this Power BI formulas, measures, calculated column, tables, functions, and variables. So formulas, where we are using this formula. Formulas are for the creating and custom calculations using the formula similar to the Excel. And it is similar to the Excel formulas. And the measures. Measures is defining the calculations that can be used in the reports like using of sums, average, and the count. Next, calculated column. So here creating a new column based on the existing data. Based on the existing data, we are going to create new columns and tables. Tables are like creating virtual table for the calculations and the data transformation functions. We are using the built-in functions for tasks like filtering, grouping, or any aggregating data. Next, variables. Declaring variables to store and reuse values in calculations. Yeah, these are the different types of key features having in the data analysis expression. So here, this data analysis expression is a language of or using of the formulas that consisting a library of more than 200 functions and the constants and the operators. So this data analysis expressions is a formula or expression that calculate and return a single value or multiple values. DAX is not a new feature. It is also used in the Power Pivot for the Excel and the SQL. Yeah. Why DAX? Yeah. Why DAX? Why we are using the DAX? Using of the DAX in an effective way, that way is help us to get the most of your data. And the measures creating using of the DAX helps to solve real world problems. And the next, data analysis expression help us performing the calculations over large data easy to get valuable insights to make it more useful. Yeah, for example, suppose we want to compare the sales of the sales of the last year for this month, like September or August. So, what type of the syntaxes we are using for the data analysis expression? So, if the current month is August, so we only want to compare till date August of this previous year, August of the previous year. So here we are using the expression as last year sales. This is the measure name. Last year sales is equals to calculate. What we are calculating the total sales. We are calculating the total sales same period last year. This is a function. Same period last year and the date. On which date? This date, today's date. So we are calculating the previous year data about the total sales. This is the syntax how we are going to write formula. Yeah. DAX functions are predefined and predefined formulas that perform calculations using of one or more arguments. And we can pass a column, function, expression, formulas, constants, numbers, text, and true or false as an argument. In this data analysis expressions is similar to Excel, but DAX refers to an entire column or an entire table. We can filter to prefer to a particular value. Yeah. These many functions we are using for the DAX, like moreover 200 functions, operators, and constructs are there in the data analysis expressions. So we are having the time and date, intelligence, filter, information, logical, math, and trigonometric parent chain, statistical, text, and other functions. So let's see what are aggregate functions. Aggregate functions are like sum, average, count, minimum, maximum, product, standard deviation, and the variance. And coming to the filter functions, we are using filter all except, all selected filters. And the logical functions is switch, if, case, and, or, not. These are the logical functions. Time intelligence functions are time, date, now, today, end of the month, start of month, end of the month. And the text functions are length, upper, lower, trim, substitute, concatenate. And the mathematical functions are absolute, ceiling, floor, round, square, and the part. The table functions are calculated table, filters, all except, summarize. Next, relationship functions like related and related table. And other functions are blank, error, is blank, is error, is logical, is text. These are the other functions. So the benefits of using this DAX in Power BI is it is more flexibility, like creating of custom calculations and data models. And it is having high performance, optimizing for large data sets and fast calculations. Reusability, share and reuse calculations across the reports and data analysis. Performing of complex data into the data analysis and the modeling. Yeah, this is about the introduction of DAX functions in the Power BI.